The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K, Sangma, inspected key urban projects in New Shillong Township, including the IT Park Phase 2, the Working Women's Hostel, the new Secretariat, Skill Park and Prime Innovation Hub. He also reviewed the construction of a new 4-lane road and plans to upgrade an existing 2-lane road which will feature cycling tracks, utility ducts, footpaths and green spaces. He stated that the buildings in the area would be modern and futuristic, designed to meet governance needs for the next 50 years. The shift of the administrative city to New Shillong aims to decongest Shillong and provide advanced infrastructure for future generations. The Chief Minister emphasized that developments are part of a larger structured plan, ensuring sustainability, efficiency and urban biodiversity. Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sangma, was also present during the inspection.
First, I think we'll see the skills. Yeah, sure. Then Prime Hub.
Then next to this plot of Prime Hub we allotted is port. Next to this 7 acres, just adjacent to this. Next it comes to.
Which point? We are here. No?
So this is the construction, proposed construction for the road. This is the main thing. The road number 1, sir. They are mixed.
So we have two other buildings also. We have the skills and the innovation hub. That's being designed.
Then we can have it there.
Yeah, that's fine.
There's a lot of activity going on, and we really want this entire zone to be a very, very planned area, something that is going to be very, very unique, and something that is more of a futuristic kind of a city. And we hope that, and we plan with the view and the vision that looking forward for the next 50 years, 100 years, that this entire thing should suffice for that kind of working space in the coming years. And that's why you'll see that the roads also which we're constructing out here are broad roads with utility ducts in it. We have got walking space, we have got cycling space, as well as green space all along the roads also. So that's the kind of vision with which we're moving forward. I have come today along with our Deputy Chief Minister and all the officials to see the different projects going on, and we are very happy to see that many of them are complete and many are in progress, and by the end of 2025 we will see completion of many more projects, and by 2026 end we should see a large number of these projects being completed. So this is a really, really important area for us, and we are very happy to see that the work is going on as planned.